If you have a wood deck, you know all about maintenance. It does require a fair amount of maintenance really to keep a deck, especially a wood deck, looking good. And one of the big enemies, one of the things that you enjoy the most about summer, the sun. The sun really breaks down the finish on handrails, steps, anything that's exposed to the sun, a lot more so than area like this that's protected from the direct sun. But maintaining a deck is fairly easy. First of all, you need to make sure it's good and clean. Now you can use a pressure washer, that works pretty well, but you'd be surprised how well a deck cleaner will work. It will really pull all of the debris out of the pores of the wood. You can leave it on for a few minutes and then just wash it off with a water hose, let it dry, then you're ready for the real important part of it is to apply a good quality stain. Now you can apply the stain using a pump-up garden sprayer or a roller, but the key thing is to back brush it. Make sure you use a nice wide brush and force that stain down into the pores of the wood. That'll protect it, that'll keep the moisture from causing you a lot of problems. Now when moisture does get into the wood, it can cause a very rough surface. That's what I had with this handrail. Now I just finished sanding it, so it's nice and smooth now, but it was fairly rough. But sanding that off, cleaning it, then it's ready to apply the stain.